So recently, the Earth has had many issues relating to climate change, global warming, and our environment. One of the major factors in these issues are rainforests. Rainforests play an important part to our ecosystems and our environments, which continue to decline because of deforestation and wildfires. National Geographic says that unsustainable industrial and agricultural development has severely degraded the rainforest health. Some of the main reasons to protect these forests are the millions of plants and animals that it's home to. There are many undiscovered medicinal plants that can be used for cures and fight off diseases, and they help prevent with climate change due to the carbon in the trees. Rainforests are actually the oldest ecosystem on Earth. Some of the ones that are still around today date back over 70 million years ago. So rainforests are home to millions of plants, and a lot of them are undiscovered still. These plants can be used for medicine and help people all around the world. Walter Souza, a plant physiologist, talks about the importance of plants in rainforests. Souza says about 80% of the world's population relies on compounds derived from plants for medicines to treat various ailments, such as malaria and cancer, and to suppress pain. He continues to talk about the deforestation of the Amazon rainforest and how he's worried about all the plants that could be used for research and medicine and possibly cure diseases. So another benefit to these plants is that they provide a reliable food source for indigenous people that live off the land and eat just animals and plants in the area. According to National Geographic, the Mabuti, the Chimbu, the Tlingit, and the Yanomami are all communities of people living in these rainforests. Plants have a huge benefit to the world by providing food and curing diseases, and most of these plants can be found in these rainforests, which is a reason why we need to protect them from being destroyed. So while plants are important, so are animals, which the rainforest is home to many. According to an article from rainforest.mungabe.com, scientists estimate that there are anywhere from 3 to 50 million animals, different species of animals in the rainforest. And why this number ranges so much is it's hard to calculate because the rainforests are extremely dense and there's a lot of species that are still undiscovered yet. So recently the Amazon rainforest had a really bad fire that I'm sure everybody heard about. It was all over the news. This fire was caused by man, actually. It was people trying to clear out parts of the rainforest by fire because it's faster than cutting down the trees just by itself. And this actually happens a lot with the Amazon rainforest. So after the fires died down, the rainforest stopped burning, and it's estimated that 2.3 million animals died, according to indiatimes.com. So deforestation of rainforests should be stopped altogether, but deforestation by fire should especially be stopped because it's incredibly dangerous and it can lead to massive fires like this one. So deforestation of rainforests play an important role in climate change as well. Trees store carbon from photosynthesis, so when deforestation occurs, the carbon is emitted into the atmosphere. According to globalforestatlas.com, tropical forests contain over 25% of the Earth's carbon, and another 20% is from just other forests that aren't tropical. So this is pretty much over or close to half of the world's carbon. In the Amazon basin alone, it's estimated that 90 to 140 billion tons of carbon are stored in the trees, which if you cut down all of those, it's equivalent to 9 to 14 decades of carbon emission just from humans. The deforestation of these forests speeds up global warming and can cause more climate change. If we protect these forests, it will help reduce carbon output and help our environments. So there are many other reasons to why the rainforests need to be protected, but I found that these are probably the most important ones. Luckily, there are companies trying to save the rainforest by raising money, planting trees, or just raising awareness, which you can go online and donate money or just raise awareness in general.